We get into a situation where the people who are responsible for the protection of the public purse, people who are supposed to protect taxpayer money, the Minister of Finances, the greatest example of the waste of public funds on a telephone that has never been witnessed anywhere in the world. Hospitals don't have medicine, $8 million funding. Police don't have car, $8 million funding. Road wall repair, car repair, $8 million funding. School want desk and chair, $8 million funding. Children want book. That is not an example, and then you turn around now and tell the teachers and the nurses and the police that they have a whole state. That's not a good example.